Okay guys, welcome to Module 1. In this module, our expert will cover contest sites or bidding sites. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Okay guys, so let's have a look at some of these contest or bidding sites. Let's start with 99designs.com. This is a cool website if you're looking for someone to design a logo or a graphics for your business. So on the website, you'll see the trending designs available, such as the website builders, web page design, logo and brand identity pack. There are two ways to get a design. So you can work directly with a designer or start a contest and pay only once you pick the winner. So let's see how it works. Okay, so we have 3 steps here. The first one is preparing a simple brief or design brief. Okay, so I went on to their FAQ to know how we can write a good design brief. So a good design brief includes the following. Number 1, your brand and your business summary. So this can be a 2 to 3 sentence stating everything that your brand and business, stating about your brand and your business. Number 2 is the target audience. Here you want to say something like both men and women between the ages of 25 and 40 who are looking for outdoor adventures. Number 3, we have the values to communicate with your design. So what feelings and messages do you want the visual design to communicate to your viewer? So in our example, we want to attract people who are looking for outdoor adventures. So we can design our graphics to showcase eco-friendliness, nature vibes, and so on. Next, we have the stylistic preferences. These are visual style you want to achieve. Do you want artistic or bold, or sophisticated and minimal? So this is your chance to let your designers know about your brand personality. Next, we have the colors. Color palette is part of your branding, so you need to prepare color palette that reflects your brand, and remember that these colors will represent you on any media that you use them, so choose wisely. Next, we have example images. Here we can provide templates or inspiration images to our designer. Sometimes there's no better way to express our ideas than to show visual representation of what it looks like. So providing example images can really help our designer understand what we mean. Okay, then we go back to our step. The next step is to connect. So as mentioned, we have 2 ways on how we can work with a designer. Number 1 is to hire a designer. You can hire a designer and collaborate with them directly, or you can start a contest. So for this example, let's say we want to start a contest. Let's click Get Started. Okay, so we need to select the category or of which design we want to request or create. Let's choose logo and identity. And let's choose the logo and brand identity pack. Once you read through the details, you can now click Start a Contest. Okay. Next, we need to select a design for the designers to assess our style. So if you're looking for something modern, something minimalist, you can select from the choices here. Or you also have the option to skip this step. In here, you can adjust the slider depending on which requirement you really want. For example, if you want a more modern style, you can slide it a little bit here or all the way here to let the designer know the level of specification you want. If you want it to be more classic or more modern, you can slide it. So let's say I want everything in the middle, or let's say I want it to be sophisticated and economical, organic, abstract, modern. I want it to be more modern. Once you're all set, just click Continue. And then select the color palette. So here, you'll see the brand description of each color. So I want to choose aqua and maybe reds, and then maybe for neutral color. So you have the option to select 3 colors for your brand. So I want to select aquas, reds, and maybe light neutral. Then select continue. Okay. Once that is set, you are now going to provide your logo and brand, or your business brand. Okay, so write your email, the language you want to write your brief in, your background information, what's the name of your logo, do you have a slogan you want to incorporate in your logo, and describe the organization or the target audience of your brand, select your industry, and then any other comments that you would like to communicate with your designers. And of course, if you have any images or sketches, documents that can be helpful to your designers. Once you've filled that in, click continue, and you will now have to choose your design package. So all logo and brand identity packages come with a 100% money back guarantee. So we have the bronze. Here you can expect 30 designs from the bidding. You have the silver, which contains 40 designs, a money back guarantee, and larger design price. So more variety here. For the gold, you'll have 50 designs, larger design price, and you will be working with mid and top level designers. And the last one is the platinum, which has 40 premium designs, still has the money back guarantee, larger designer price, top level designers only, you have prioritized support, and then a dedicated manager. So once you've chosen the package, that the design package that you want, let's say I want to choose bronze for now, you can now create a contest title for your contest. So you can check out examples here and then type your contest title here. And then you can also select how you want to promote your contest. It can be a feature, it can be a highlight, or a blog entry. Or you can have the power pack, which contains all 3 of those promotion. And then you also have the contest options. For example, if you want it to be guaranteed, or do you want it to be a private contest? So you can select that. And the duration of your contest. Do you want to run it for 7 days, 3 days, 2 days, or 24 hours, depending on what you need. After that, you will be directed to your account creation. Once you click continue, you'll be redirected to your account creation and the payment option. Another bidding site that I want to talk about is Hatchwise.com. So Hatchwise is similar to 99designs.com. And let's see. Once we click start, create a process, you'll select a logo or the type of contest that you want to host. For example, you want to have a logo design contest. They also have the same pricing packages, but I think more designs. So for example, for the bronze, you have 30 plus designs, and you'll be working with 5 designers, or 5 designers will be joining your contest or bidding. And then we have the silver, which has 70 plus design, 15 designers, 150 price included, and this is the package price, contest price. We have the gold, which has 130 designs, 20 designers. So depending on your design needs, you can choose which package best suits your contest. So let's see, start a logo contest. The design brief is similar to 99designs.com. You have your company information, your slogan, your company organization, and your target audience. You also have what you want to include, the ideas that you want to include in your design. Where are you going to use this logo for? Online, print, merchandise, billboards or shops, television or screen, and of course they have restriction on what you don't want to have on your design. You also have the values. So if you want it to be more feminine, masculine, simple, complicated, and so on. You also have the option to select the logos that you want to not copy but be inspired. You also have the colors to use in your design, same as 99 Design. You want to have a color palette, and then other facts that you want to include, as well as the type of file that you want to be included in your final output. So just click continue, and then you will be redirected to the options. So what logo package would you like to have? You have here the design, the number of designs, and what you will be getting. So full ownership of one design industry files, $39 listing fee, $50 price amount, and you'll be working with, as mentioned, 5 designers with a minimum of 30 custom designs. And you have the second package, the third, the fourth, and the custom package. You also have the option for project upgrades and project visibility and privacy. Basically the same as 99designs.com. Once you click continue here, you'll be redirected to the payment page. And that's about it.